Welcome to Fit Fuel Diaries. Are you ready to transform your body and mindset with just one simple challenge? 21 push-ups for 21 days. It sounds easy, but the results? They will absolutely shock you. Stick with me as we break down what happens when you commit to this small but powerful habit. The first few days? Brutal. If you haven't done push-ups regularly, your arms will burn, your chest will feel sore, and your mind will scream, "Give up!" But here's the secret. This discomfort is proof that your muscles are waking up, your strength is building, and your determination is taking over. Every rep is a step closer to a stronger you. By the second week, something amazing happens. Your form improves, your core tightens, and suddenly, those 21 push-ups don't feel impossible anymore. Your muscles adapt, your breathing gets better, and that shaky day one version of you, they're gone. You're becoming stronger, inside and out. This challenge isn't just about physical gains, it's about discipline. You realize that motivation fades, but commitment keeps you going. You don't wait to feel like doing push-ups, you just do them. And that mindset, it spills into every part of your life. By day 21, you're stronger, leaner, and more confident. Your arms have definition, your chest is firmer, and your posture, solid. And the best part, it's not just about looking good, but feeling unstoppable. This challenge proves that small daily efforts create massive changes. Now that you've completed the 21-day push-up challenge, the question is, what's next? Will you stop here? Or will you push yourself even further? The choice is yours, but one thing is clear. You are stronger than you think. This is just the beginning. If you loved this challenge, drop a comment and tell me your results. And don't forget, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs a push, and subscribe to Fit Fuel Diaries for more exciting fitness challenges. Let's grow stronger together.